via digital YouTube channel, Python tutorials. My name is Srinivas. In this session, I am going to discuss about a Python program. The program name is write a program to find the reverse string. Find the reverse string of a given string. To find the reverse string of a given string. For example, one is the given string is for example hello. Hello is a given string. The reverse string is H E L L O. That is the reverse string. This is the reverse string. This is a original string. This is a reverse string and this is original string. To find the reverse of a given string. Reversing of a given string. One more example. For example, the given string is Python. For example, the given string is Python. And print the reverse string. Given string is Python. Reverse string is reversing. The reverse string is n. I have to print the reverse string first to enter the n value, and then O value, and then H value, and T value, and Y value, and P value. Finally, to print the reverse string. The original string is Python, NOHYT is a reverse string. How to find the reverse string? For example, this is a original string. The original string is stored like this. For example, HELLO. Here, the logic is this is a original string. 0 index number, 1 index number, 2 index number, 3 index number, and 4th index number. Here to find the index number 0 to 4. Different methods. One method -1 and -2, -3, -4, and -5. To print the string values, to print the each and every character starting from -1 to up to the -5. And for example, the starting value 4 value up to reach the index number is 0. Every time decreasing the index number every time. Okay. Or directly by using the slicing operator, or by using the function in string value to find the reverse string value the different ways. One is using while loop, another one is using for loop, or using user defined functions, or user-defined function, or using built-in function, Find that there are different ways, different methods. One method is using built-in function, one method is using while loop, one method for using for loop, and one method for using user-defined function. One method is using slicing operator. There are different ways to find the reversing a given string. There are the different ways. One method is using built-in function. One method is using user-defined function. One method is using for loop. One method is using while loop. In this session, we will discuss use the built-in function, using for loop, and using while loop. Method one is using predefined function, using built-in function, Right. First of all, to enter the value, enter the given string from the keyboard. The string str equal to any string. Input of enter any string. That's the input string. And to find the reversing of a given string, this string is immediately to find the reverse string. The variable is revstr, reverse string. Revstr is the reverse string variable. Using reverse is a built-in function of str. Here, reverse is a built-in function. Here, input is a built-in function. This function reversing read the value from the keyboard, and the value assigned to str. But the reversed function, the given str is reversed, and this string is assigned into revstr. And after converting these two strings into a list type, if list of str equal to list of revstr, so both are equal, given string is a reversing string. Now reversing string is the value assigned to reverse string, and print the reverse string. Reversed string equal to equal to list of reversed list of revstr. This is one way. Enter the one string. Under the given string is hello. The reverse string is O L L E H. This is one way. First method. The first method, the original string is hello, and the reverse string is H E O L L E O. For example, under any string, the reverse original string is Python. The reverse string is NOHEYP. That's the one method. Using the reverse method, or using second method, another method. Same as enter the values on the keyboard. Second method using while loop or for loop. For example, if we are using the while loop or for loop, okay, enter the value str. This is a original string, or s equal to original string. Input of enter any string. Okay. Immediately to find the reverse string. How to find? Immediately find the length of len. Length is a variable assigned to the len of s. Using for loop for I in range of length minus 1 comma minus 1, and every time decreasing by the minus 1. Every time decreasing by the minus 1. For example, reversing the order and colon symbol, and the print of s of I. And using one more here, if you want to print the same line, the output is using output parenthesis and using is write the same string and the string value. Enter any string. The string is hello. Now the reverse string is here. Please enclose these are as a comment symbol. Because run the program also. Example 1 also. One. Enter any string. The string is hello. Here output is OLLEH. Here what happens? First of all, first point. Here this thing is enter any string. Here the S is a string. Okay, now here S is a string. Any number, any string. You are entered into the hello. HELLO hello. Stored like the 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the index number. This is the first one. Okay. And next one, length of S. Here the length is a one variable. It is used to find the length of S. Now the length of S is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Length means the number of characters. The length is a inbuilt function. It is used to find the number of characters. And for I in length value equal to for I. For I in range of 5 minus 1. That is 4 and minus 1 and minus 1. That means 4 to up to minus 1. This function returns 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. And now the first I value equal to 4. Here the value of I is, here this is the value of I is first time 4. And now enter into the print of S of 4. I means 4. Print the S of 4. The output is here the output is print S of 4. Print S of 4. S value is given string for I means 4. S of 4 value is 0. Okay. Again the control goes to for loop. Again the control goes to the I value is next time 3. Here print the S of 3. S of 3 value is L. Again the control goes to the again I value equal to 2. S of 2 value. S of 2 value is L. Again the control goes to back. Next time I value equal to 1. S of 1 value is E. Again the control goes to back. S of I value 3, 2, 1. Now the latest I value is 0. So now print of S of 0. S of 0 value is H. Again the control goes to back. No more elements, okay, in a range function. So no more elements. The next one is the go to the next one. This is the printing reversing of a given string. Another method. Second method using for loop. Or by using another method also. Again run the module using any one. For example, Python. Enter the value. That is the okay. One more method. Method 3. This is very important method in Python. These two methods are general methods using here the second method is using for loop. The same program writing using while loop is possible. But No need of while loop. Here only for here using while loop. And the third method is using slicing. Using slice operator or slicing operator, both are same. Using slice operator. S equal to, first of all, enter the input of enter any string. Okay, enter any string value. Here we are using entering the string value. Okay, entering the string value. After entering, find the reverse value. So for example, reverse string revstr equal to, the variable reverse string is equal to s of value is here starting value -1 and no need of colon symbol. And the colon symbol every time decreasing by -1. Here these are called, this operator here the colon operator is called as a slice operator. Here the colon operator is called as a slice operator. Here the slice operator means it returns a different values. This is called as a starting point. It indicates the starting point. Okay. It indicates here the ending point. By default, ending point is the end of the string, and here every time decreased every time decreased by -1. Okay. Now go to the normalization, and now starting value the reverse value. If and print the reverse string, you simply print of reverse string equal to the reverse string equal to comma revstr. Run this program using third method is using slice operator. Here made up. And the reverse string is also made up. And now one more example to print the Python. And the reverse string is also ny. Starting value is -1 and no need of the end point. Every time decreases by -1. That means this is a function slicing operator. Here the string p y t h o n. Here the Python supports the negative and positive indexing. Positive indexing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the negative indexing is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. Here, what happens is S is a string, S is a original string. Starting value is -1. Every time decreasing by -1. First to print the -1 value is n. Okay, every time decreasing by -1. Again the -1. That is equal to -2. Again the print -2 value. -2 value is O, stored into revstr. Now the next value -1, -3, -2, and -1 equal to -3. The -3 value is H and T and Y and P. To print like this, the reversing of a given string. The original string is S and the reverse string is equal to revstr. Clear? Okay guys, up to here. To find the given string is clear. A reverse string using for loop and using reverse built-in function and using for loop and using slice operator. You are using 3 methods. You can use any one method. Thanks for watching this video.